If you have already damaged the pre-installed screen protector of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, you might be looking for a new one. Today we'll be installing and reviewing the Olixar screen protector that not only protects the screen, but the entirety of the phone. The installation takes a few minutes to complete and offers complete protection to the inner display and the rest of your handset. And when complete, your handset will be protected against scratches. We have tried many forms of phone protection across numerous devices, so when it comes to picking the right one, we know a thing or two. And don't forget to hit our like and subscribe button if you liked today's video and would like to see more. Within the pack you receive the protector for the inner display, the front display, the fold, and the back. And of course you also receive a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, and a dust removal sticker. This is everything that you'll be needing today. Before you begin, as always, I'd recommend turning off your handset and of course removing the already installed screen protector. The same process applies across all of the areas when applying the protector. The first step of the installation is to clean the area of the phone that you wish to apply the protector to. And to do so, take the wet wipe and remove any grease from off the phone. Then, using the microfiber cloth, dry the area. Once completely dry, dab the dust removal sticker to lift off any dirt and lint. Now that your phone is looking spick and span, we're now ready to apply the protector. Take the protector and place it on top. Carefully match the protector with the phone to ensure that you get an accurate fit. The next step is the trickiest. Pull back one side of the protector and with the application card, push the protector out to the edge of the phone. The protector will detach from the plastic and attach to your phone. When one side is done, complete the same process again on the other. If there are any bubbles at this point, use the application card to push them out. The last step is to remove the second tab. As I said before, complete the same process across all the areas of the phone. The film is now securely fitted to your handset, and I must say this is definitely a cost-friendly choice, considering a lot of protectors on the market for this particular device can be rather expensive. This allows you to protect your handset from scratches without having to add the unnecessary bulk of a case. And even if you did want to attach a case, you'll still be able to. It goes unnoticed on your handset as it is so thin. Its touch response is unfazed by the installation. I can use the phone as before. By adding this film to your device, it will prevent scratches from forming, and as its price is so low, it would be less heartbreaking to remove and to apply another one. Also, the film has a 95% light penetration to reduce any eye strain that may be caused from looking at your phone for long periods of time. Overall, this is a great value for money way to protect your phone. It is a cheaper alternative to many other protectors that are available. If you would like to purchase the Olixar protector for your Z Fold 3, check out the link that I have left in the description and comments below. I have also left the links to our website and our social media channels for if you would like to see more accessories. Hit the like and subscribe button if you would like to see more accessory reviews for your smartphone. Share this with your friends if they too are looking for a protector. Comment below if you have any questions about the one you have seen today. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.